How's it going today, guys? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm standing here today at MarineMax Venice, and today I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on Sea Ray's all-new 2025 270 SDX Outboard. This model has been completely refreshed and redone from the previous models, so I'm going to show you just how many differences there are. Starting off on the back of the boat, the biggest difference you're going to see is that's right, you can put a 400 on this boat now. 400, of course, is going to be the maxed out horsepower. You can get it in white or black. 300 being standard, upgrade to the 350, max it all the way out with the 400. On the back of the boat, you'll see features that you liked on the previous models, but we've given it a little bit of an upgrade. Larger sun pad. Over on the side, you can option it with a freshwater package, giving you a freshwater washdown on the transom and in the bow. You still have your little stereo puck and then new chargers with the USB-C in there already built in as well. Flagpole holder here. A big change that we have on the back of the boat is now you can drop down this sun pad, giving you a little bit more room, put your head down comfortably and enjoy the views. Of course, simply pick it back up and then it transforms back into your backrest. Come step into the cockpit with me. It is a step down, molded into the hull. You will see a side step. People always ask, what's that for? That is for if you pull up to a fixed dock. So if you pull up to somewhere that doesn't have a floating dock, this one will give you an extra step up to get up a little bit higher, easier transition in and off of the boat. As you take a look here in the cockpit, you will see still has your normal large seating configuration, great for entertainment, having a conversation with friends and family. Nice backrest. That we have upgraded the stitching pattern on these from what it had before, but another great thing that's been added is wireless chargers. You're going to see those complemented throughout the boat. Plenty of cup holders, but as you know, everybody's going to have their technology, so it's nice to put it out of the way, throw it on a charger. You've got it on the other side as well. You've got it up by the driver. You've got plenty of options. A cool upgrade that you have on these seats is now there's this little lock mechanism right under here, okay? What that does is you can slide it forward or back, but what it allows you to do is set it so you can have the perfect distance to the steering wheel. So you have different drivers on the boat. Of course, when you're out, everybody wants to take it for a ride. So now everybody can sit comfortably, but you can bring it forward or back. Everybody can enjoy the conversation. A cool upgrade, now you have a bolster on both the passenger and driver side. You'll notice this one is a double wide, so you and your companion can sit side by side. You know, your key VIP passenger is going to sit over here in its own seat. Everybody else is going to be a part of the conversation in the back. We've had a lot of changes up on the dash. You're going to notice that this now has two screens. Standard is going to be one right in the middle. You can upgrade to two 9-inch Simrads on either side. These are individual units, so you have full use and features on both of them. You can option this boat with trim tabs, giving you the best ride quality. Of course, the new Mercury digital throttle. And then, like I mentioned, an additional wireless charging pad right up here. Full tilt steering wheel, of course, making everybody comfortable. Over on the side, we moved the head unit over here. It cleaned up the view of the dash, but let's be honest, the passengers always control the stereo anyways, so now they can do that with ease. And you have a lockable glove box over on the side. Great spot to put your phone, wallet, keys, anything like that. One of the biggest changes is how large the head compartment is now. So that opens up to give you easy access in and out. You'll see this is the upgraded package. So when you do the upgraded package on this boat, you've got the nice toilet, stainless steel sink, but it also comes with full cushions in there. So if you remember on the 250 SDX that was really popular, it kind of gave you a little cabin, great for storage or get the kids out of the heat. You can now do that on the 270 as well. If you take a look up in the bow, you'll see that it is completely different. It's not the center walkthrough. It is a little bit of a side walkthrough. But what that does is it optimizes seating. You can get a filler cushion up in there to turn the whole front into a sun pad, but you can also put a table up here as well, bringing that conversation not only in the back cockpit, but up in the front as well. Of course, you're going to have the stainless steel grab handle so everybody can be secure. You're going to have 4 cup holders, 2 on each side. But the biggest upgrade, what we've seen, is you can now have both a windlass and a beach boarding ladder. So in the past, it was one or the other. Now, with our popular boating down here, we noticed that a lot of our customers like to beach their boat, get on and off from the front, whether that's in a cove, sandbar, restaurant, anything like that. You now have 2 access points, both forward and back on the boat. And again, that freshwater system up here. So when you're getting on and off, you can rinse your feet off before you get on and off the boat. Guys, there's a lot going on this boat. This is Sea Ray's all-new 270 SDX. This is the 2025. It's located right here at MarineMax Venice. Come check it out.